Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create notebook-style paper using Microsoft Word, just like this one. Let's get started by opening a new Word document. First, go to the Layout tab. Click on Size, then More Paper Sizes. Next, click on Margins. Set all margins top, bottom, left, right to 0. Click OK. You'll notice that the cursor moves to the top left corner of the page. This means our margins are set correctly. Next, go to the Insert tab. Click on Table, then insert one column. Just click without selecting any number of rows. Go to the Layout tab under Table Tools. Select the entire table. Change the row height to 0.38 and press Enter. This creates equally spaced horizontal lines. To fill the page with lines, click at the end of the last row. Press the Tab key repeatedly until the table fills the page. Choose Line. Hold the Shift key to keep the line straight. Then, go to Insert. Shapes. Choose Line. Draw a horizontal line near the top of the page. Change the line color. Click on the line. Go to Shape Format, Shape Outline, choose Red. To duplicate the line, click the line. Hold Ctrl and drag it upward to make a copy. Now for the vertical margin line. Again, go to Insert. Shapes. Select Line. Hold Shift and draw a vertical line from the top to the bottom of the page on the left side. Change the color to red using Shape Outline. To create a second vertical line, if needed, hold Ctrl and drag a copy to the right side. Go to Insert. Shapes. Select Rounded Rectangle. Draw the rectangle at the top of the page. Remove the fill. Click on the shape. Go to Shape Fill. No fill. Set the outline color to red. Inside the rectangle, you can add details like page, date. Adjust the text as needed, make it bold. Increase the font size, and align it to the left. And that's it. You now have a fully customized notebook page in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.